Highway Code Rule 41. This is for invalid carriages. Invalid carriages on the road. You should take care when travelling on the road, as you may be travelling more slowly than other traffic. Your machine is restricted to 8 miles per hour, 12 kilometers an hour, and may be less visible. When on the road, Class 3 vehicles should travel in the direction of the traffic. Class 2 users should always use the pavement when it is available. When there is no pavement, you should use caution when on the road. Class 2 users should, where possible, travel in the direction of the traffic. If you are travelling at night when lights must be used, you should travel in the direction of the traffic to avoid confusing other road users. That's Rule 42 for mobility scooters.